All right, I got the GOFREETECH wired keyboard and mouse combo. Sometimes you just need to go wired. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and see what we get inside of here, then we'll take it for a test run. See how it works. Came packaged pretty nicely here. You know, good thing here, we don't need any batteries for these. We have 2 feet. They kick up on the back here, which I like. The keyboard itself is a nice shape. I've got like kind of larger hands, so I can easily grab this and move it around, which is something that I like for myself. All the keys you've come to know and love on a keyboard on here. It's a typical standard keyboard, but we have 12 hotkeys in the top that can be used with the function key. So function F1 through F12 each have their own separate features, which we'll go through in a little bit. One of the things I really like about it, other than the fact that I can just grab it, pick it up with one hand, is that it has the number pad on the side here. Number pad's a big selling point for me. And the mouse itself, lightweight, again, no batteries, optical mouse. Looks like it has a pretty lengthy cable on here, we'll find out. It's got 2 grip features on the side, which I like. Your left click and your right click. And we've got the roller wheel that you can press down and use for fast scrolling, which I also like. I use that a lot. Very super lightweight mouse, feels good in my hand. Let's plug it in and check it out. All right, so I've got it plugged in here. Here's the keyboard itself, and I've got the mouse plugged in too. Both wired up. Plug and play, very simple operation. You just plug it in and you're good to go. Give you a little rundown. So if you hit the function key right here, which is right down next to the Alt key on the right side, if you hit that function key and press F1, for instance, it brings up your media player. If you hit the function key and F2, it's your volume down. Function key F3 is your volume up. Function F4 is going to mute it for you. Function F5 and F6 are previous track and next track. I don't have that on here because I don't have any music downloaded on here. Function F7 is going to be pause and play. Function F8 is stop. Function F9 is going to be home. So if I hit that, it's going to want to take me back to my home page. Function F10 is going to be email. Nice and easy to be able to just hit those 2 buttons. I'm a kind of a DOS fan myself. I use a lot of DOS commands still. Function F11 is your computer, brings up your files. And function F12 brings up your favorites. All in all, pretty cool. Works exactly like it's supposed to work. Let's give us a little test. See how the keys feed. The mouse itself feels great. The scroller wheel works like it's supposed to. I'm pretty happy with that. It's a nice light mouse. It gets around real nice and easy. All right, let's put the caps lock on and test this keyboard. Caps lock is on. GOFREETECH wired. And mouse combo. Yeah, it works pretty good. Randy reviews. Yeah, it feels good. The buttons work good. I like the way they type. They're nice. They're not light. They're not heavy. They're right somewhere right in the middle where I like them. Nice big space bar on here too. I like the size of this space bar. That's I like the location of this and the size of this. It feels good. Well, you got the Windows button here. Let me hit my DOS commands. Control Z. Look at that. Everything works exactly like I'd like it to. Feels good. Nice feeling keyboard. I like it. So if you're looking for a wired keyboard and mouse combo, maybe for an office type setting where you've got cubicles and a lot of workers in there, where you want to keep everything wired, and because it's easy to do so, check out the GOFREETECH wired keyboard and mouse combo. Check it out.